Do you want to become a Java full stack developer and land a high paying job? So here is a perfect roadmap for you that you can follow. So in the complete Java full stack, we will focus on four things. One is front end, another is back end and database and DevOps tools. So here in front end, you should focus on HTML at first and then move to CSS, then learn JavaScript, and then after you should learn React.js for dynamic UI. When it comes to backend, you should start by learning core Java and then move to advanced Java. Along with that, you should also learn Spring and Spring Boot framework. In databases, you can go with MySQL or PostgreSQL. Generally, people follow MySQL in industry. In DevOps tool, you must learn Git, Docker, Kubernates, and Kafka. And then boom, you are a Java full stack developer.